Hello and welcome again as we consider yet another multiple choice question for IB Chemistry. 7.102 grams of sodium sulfate, formula mass 142.04 grams per mole, is dissolved in water to prepare 0.500 dm cube of solution. What is the concentration of sodium sulfate in moles per dm cube? And you have your four choices here. So this question deals entirely with topic 1, stoichiometry, and for many students it might be quite simple, but such a question only becomes simple when you're able to go past the multiple layers that you need to peel back to arrive at the answer. First of all, you need to be able to do some simple mathematics without a calculator. To start with, you need to find the number of moles involved, 7.102 grams and relative formula mass 142. It should immediately jump out at you that there's a relationship between 7.102, the mass in grams, and if that is divided by 142.04 grams per mole, you should be able to inspect the numerator and the denominator and to quickly realize that if we shifted this decimal point here and made this 71, this would be half of this. So this would be equal to 0.05 because it's not 71 but 7.1. So 0.05 grams cancelling with grams, moles. So that's the number of moles that you have that's going to then be dissolved in 0.5 dm cube of solution. So here you need to bring in another familiar equation. N equals C multiplied by V. Here V is the volume in dm cube, which is already given to you, 0.5000. N is the number of moles, which is 0.05. And you are asked to find C, the concentration. So you need to be able to do the mathematics and divide this by this. And you'll get 0.05 divided by 0.5, giving you C, the concentration. And you should be able to do this by inspection. Putting this back 2 places, you get 5. Putting this back 2 places, you get 50. 5 divided by 50 equals to 0.1. So your answer is 0.1 moles per dm cube. Looking at the 4 choices, there's no such choice. All answers are written in scientific notation, but you should be able to figure out that 0.1 in scientific notation is equal to 1.000 by 10 to the negative 1, meaning that this decimal point would have to be shifted 1 place over to the left to give you the answer of 0.1 moles per dm cube. Answer for this question, B.